Hello. I've got the Rover V2 gearbox finally printed. I realized my ring gear print problems were from using the nightly version of Slicer instead of 1.2.9 stable, so that was interesting. I finally got my lubricant in the mail, so I've got this silicone lubricating compound with Teflon, the Super Lube, and I got this from Amazon. So it's just a big tube of lubricant. Sorry, I gotta set that down. Okay, and I've just put a bunch of lubricant in there, and now I am ready to run. We'll do this. I'm ready to run the motor. So the sun likes to slide off of the motor when I don't have the second stage installed, so just push that back on. But just wanted to spin up and evenly distribute the lubricant on the inside of this first stage, and then did I get my planet straight? I did not get my planet straight. Oh yeah, that's what I was in the middle of doing. So if you see that these three planets line up, and that one, see that, I just need to pull it out straight out the top, move it over one tooth, and put it back in. So that's what happens when you don't get the planets in the right spot. It's not the end of the world. But I do have the V2 ring gear printed properly. I discovered it took me a week of printing, trying every possible option on 1.3.0 nightly, but I needed to run the Slicer stable version. And word to the wise, pay attention to your Slicer. If your printer isn't working the way you remember, try to figure out what happened. So I was upgrading my desktop and downloaded the new software, and suddenly I couldn't print my gears anymore. But yep, that's the first stage of the Rover gearbox, and then I will end the video, straighten these teeth out, and then put 4 more planets in, and I'll have the output. I have the planets printed, and then this is the output. Oh dear, oh dear. Huzzah. Okay, this is the cap. So, really do have all of the parts printed. So we'll see. The other thing is I was just spinning it up tonight and running some lubricant through it. So, yep, that's just a little status update. Thanks.